What shall we play today? We can all play Pain in my ass simulator, Pain in my arm simulator, I see game, or tanks. We wanna play replay. I'm in a mood to play some Wii tanks. Well, we're gonna play, but like, I'd say we can all agree that all these games suck. Actually, I like pool or billiards. I like that, but I like to say that's the only game I like from this game. And we're gonna use a nunchuck, yeah, because I don't have to swing like in Wii Sport. I'm not even moving. So apparently this piece of shit has stick drift. Good to know. I was not paying. I was fucking making my screen full windowed. Oh shit. That began pretty shitty. I suppose fucking nunchuck killed my spam. Die. I have not played this game in forever, so I don't really remember how most tanks act. Can we beat this first try? Pretty optimistic, but I believe there are 20 levels. I'm being pretty optimistic here, but I can dream. No, ah! I could not see that fucking bullet. Okay, neat. He killed himself. Ah! Holy shit. Wait, there's medals? You know full well I'm going for platinum on this one. Hell yeah. Ah! This fucking Wii Sports bowling all over again. Dying at the first fucking level. Out of 20. Shit, this is even more embarrassing. This bitch is stupid. I thought I was gonna die right there. I fucking use all my ammo just for him to shoot one time and kill me. This is stage 3, keep that in mind. I am aiming at the screen. Hell yeah. Did you again die by Great Tank? I'm ass. Ah! Oh! How did that bullet not hit me right there? Okay, one extra life. I really needed that. Okay. Okay. Holy shit, that was clean. Okay, I can do way better. I'm gonna get further than last time. That's pretty much guaranteed. Unless I choose. Because these yellow ones are really not even a threat. They barely fucking shoot. Never mind, I just shot. How did I just die right there? Oh. Ah! Hell yeah! Okay, I'm getting fur. If I believe if I beat this level, I'm getting a bonus tank, so I have to lock in. Okay, only gray tanks. With some yellow. Now apparently that's enough to fucking kill me. Hello? Ah! My fucking Wii remote did not pick up where I was pointing at. I almost killed myself right there, but thank God I hit him. Started panicking. I barely fucking missed in that one. Holy shit. How did... I swear to God, I can make a fucking weird noise compilation with this video. I can already tell you that. I'm making so many fucking noises. Okay, the trouble. This level is the one that gives me a real fucking itsy fucking beatsy. Pick up my pointer, please. Oh, that was a pretty neat ricochet. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Okay, we're halfway. We're halfway. 2 tanks. Ooh, what do the red tanks do? I actually don't know. As far as I can see, nothing really interesting. That was pretty much just a free round. Okay, neat, the bones tank. Okay, one red one down. Is it red or pink? We killed each other. That's fine though, only one green tank is left. Or teal tank. What color is it? Green or teal? I don't know. I was gonna say dark green. Oh shit, I hate the green ones. The green ones suck. If you guys don't know why green ones suck, especially despite they don't move, they're a fucking calculator. Like they can just calculate from where, from an angle, from if you let them bounce the shots in a way that it always predicts where the fuck you are going. I'm fucking fucking with that fucking yellow tank. I started panicking because it was fucking with the yellow tank right below me here. Now they're mission 15. Only... Ooh, purple. What do they do? They're a fucking crack, it seems. Shit! One more level and I would have won. Or, I mean, I would have got an extra life. That was my best attempt. Silver medal. Now I gotta go through this all over again. How the fuck did you tread the fa? I'm just gonna make, when this video drops, I'm just gonna make a fucking compilation of me making weird ass noises. Just for TikTok and Insta. Maybe make even a short out of it, I don't know. Since 3-minute shorts now a thing, and I probably can fill 3 minutes with weird noises. They shoot instantly at my ass, and how did I fucking not hit that bullet? Oh! I killed both of them, neat. Oh, I thought I killed... How did I not kill myself right there? That's a yellow one down. He just ran into my bullet. I take it. Ah! Fuck! Okay. Okay, hold up. The green one has nowhere to fucking run, but neither do I. Hell yeah. Of course, they can aimbot me, but I can't mimic their fucking aimbot. Even if I fucking tried. Look, see that fucking bullet? See, they would have fucking killed me if I didn't move. See, yeah, that's fucking scary. That's why I hate those green bastards. How did that not hit me? And how did you not even die from that? How is it fucking supposed to kill those? If I get this level without dying, this is gonna be my best run just yet. I never got 4 life. I never got 4 life, so that'd be a fucking new achievement, but I'm still not gonna do it. I fucking died. I don't know why I struggle so much with this level. Oh yeah. Then the fucking dark green turquoise steel type tanks. What? How did I just die? How did that yellow tank die? Did they just poop out the tank and I managed to hit it somehow? I'm stuck! Okay, the problem levels here. Oh, I killed 1 green tank at least. I was hoping I was gonna hit that red one in my bullet barrage. Ah! So I've been recording for half an hour already. Almost 45 minutes even. That's pretty much surprising. This time time is passing pretty damn quick. I almost killed myself. Hell yeah! Okay, first time I got 4 lives, I believe. I know that I killed the one real quick, so I just did not speak up and focused up. Oh! And I immediately lose that life. Okay. I panicked and I saw that rocket coming at me. We're gonna start right over after that one. I'm aiming. Let's say that message even more insulting than fucking dying. Because obviously I know how to aim it at. I'm not that brain dead. I don't believe I died there before. So that's pretty upsetting. Of course I died by the yellow tank. The fucking stupidest one of all these fucking on the fucking map. Oh, triple kill. I died to 1 great tank. The fucking easiest one to kill is the ones I have most trouble with. I don't know how I died. Now I went with 3 lives in the fucking second quarter. I lost all my fucking life in 2 levels. Kill him! My fucking player icon was in the way. My fucking stats. Ah! Shit, I didn't break my mic by doing that. Don't believe I did. I slammed my Wii remote full against the audio part of my mic. Like, where I can, my mic, I can put it louder or weaker if I want to. I can lower higher the volume of my voice. And I hit that part in my mic out of annoyance. Well, not even my intention, I admit that. Legend fire attack, cause I cannot see shit when you are behind the fucking block. Pew 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 pew. Ah, I'm so terrible. I'm just. You know what? I'm done. It's clear I'm getting out of my fucking element. By how badly I'm choking all these attempts. I have not gotten to like level 10 in a hot. Past level 10 in a hot minute. That's the worst part. I feel so bad right now. Oh. Oh well, either way I'm just gonna stop playing for today. Oh well. I'm just done.